official katong video din mo.
So, ito yung newly elected officers as of 4 April 2009, Provincial Executive Committee for 2009-2011 of Agusan del Sur Provincial Chapter. The President, no other than FRNG Antonio Hoc Bindoy. Vice President, Internal Affairs, RNG Manakad. External Affairs, FRNG Rodrigo Sagittarius Gauran. Secretary, FRNG Walter Father Wally Torrijos ESKP. Treasurer, RNG Dindo Dinsel Hali. Auditor, all chapter presidents, good standing. Business manager, RNG Dario Das Mantua. PIO, RNG Gilbert Upsilon G. Claro.
Balikan mo sa founder. Alang-alang founder, oh.
For newly elected
Alang-
officers
Alang-alang.
of Provincial Founders Group 2009-2011 Chairman, FRNG Jonathan David Pitalvero. Vice Chairman, Internal Affairs, FRNG Mateo Tin Subyulo. External Affairs, FRNG Secretary, FRNG Joseph Gisrara. Treasurer, FRNG Walter Father Wally Torrijos. And Auditor, FRNG Gerson Borcho Linya. Hanggang kamatayan, hanggang sa libingan. Agusan del Sur Provincial Chapter Nara Avenue, Poblacion, Bayugan City. Naras Padre. Ponerok. O, gagamong handa. Nara. I'm the first lady. Prince Charming. Nara. Kain tayo dyan.